Get ready for an exciting event, the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked on January 17th. We're eagerly awaiting the unveiling of the new Galaxy S24 series, which will shine a spotlight on three awesome models: the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Leaks and speculations are buzzing, giving us a sneak peek into their design, features, and specs. A cool hands-on video by user Bennett Brunner Pro reveals the supposed design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It showcases a flat display with a neat hole punch cutout for the front camera and super slim bezels. The right edge of the phone houses the power button and volume rockers, aligning with earlier rumors in the tech community. For gamers, there's an exciting feature in the works to tackle overheating during intense gaming sessions. Rumor has it that Samsung is adding a bigger vapor chamber to the Galaxy S24 series for significantly improved cooling. The standard Galaxy S, the 24th of May, have a vapor chamber 1.5 times larger than its predecessor. The S24 Plus might boast a 1.6 times larger chamber, and the top-tier S24 Ultra could feature an impressive 1.9 times larger vapor chamber compared to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Other speculations hint at a 1 Hz refresh rate, previously exclusive to high-end Ultra smartphones, and cool color options like black, marl gray, cobalt violet, and amber yellow. In the United States, you might find the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset in these phones, while other regions might get the Exynos 2400 SL-XE. But wait, there's more. Rumors are swirling that the Standard and Plus variants could feature an upgraded version of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, deviating from the initially mentioned Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Meanwhile, the premium Galaxy S24 Ultra might come with a titanium frame, giving it a sleek look similar to its competitor, the iPhone 15 Pro. Exciting times are ahead for Samsung fans, and we can't wait to see what unfolds at Galaxy Unpacked 2024.